up everyone, my name is Justpreethesh and I'm back with another video. Quickly, I want to take a moment and thank you guys because we reached 500 subscribers and that is totally because of your love and your support. So keep sharing my content. Right now, let's get into our content. Make a lot of mistakes unknowingly when it comes to skincare routine. At some point of our life, we all have watched those DIY videos on how to care for your skin with all those home remedies and stuff. Well, I get it. Is it really a mistake? Well, I'm going to clear this doubt, so make sure that you watch this video until the end without skipping any part because I'm going to cover these three topics. First is what you should avoid, second is how to prevent skin issues, and third is the skincare routine that I follow daily. Let's start the video, but before getting into it, if you're new here, then make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, guys. Number one is what actually you should avoid. There's only one thing which you should avoid is watching those damn DIY videos or skin hacks videos because that's not gonna help you. Let's take an example of a lemon. We know that lemon contains vitamin C, and to get rid of dark spots and scars, we need vitamin C. So mostly on 5-minute scrubs or any other DIY videos, what they actually do is they have a fake scar or a fake spot on which they apply the lemon or the lemon mixture. They ask you to leave that for about few minutes and then they ask you to wash it off, and then automatically you will notice that there's no scar or any spot on their face. Here's the truth about lemon, guys. Lemon is actually a citric acid, and in my personal experience, if you apply that on your face, then it will itch or irritate your skin, and that is because of the pH level of the acids present in lemon. And once it starts itching or irritating your skin, then you are damaging your skin and provoking skin allergies. Applying fruits, vegetables and any other powders and cooking your face is not highly recommended, and chances are you will end up having skin allergies. If you avoid this, then half of your skin issues are solved already. Obviously, we cannot ignore the fact that many natural products contain lemon or any other stuff, but those are concentrated and added some chemicals, so then only we can use it on our skin. Moving on to number 2 is how to solve your skin issues. Divide this into two parts. First one is normal skin issues and second one is severe skin issue. What comes under first one is whiteheads, blackheads, dark spots, pimples, clogging pores, oily and dry skin. These are some basic skin issues that we face due to puberty between the age of 12 to 18 generally. So how we can solve these skin issues are pretty easy. If you get a small pimple, then you should avoid poking, squeezing or even touching that, as it will automatically go away within few days or weeks, but make sure that you do not apply any cream or any oily solutions. Because when our pores get blocked by these dirts and greasy solutions, then that's the reason why we get pimples. So make sure that you wash your face often. Blackheads and whiteheads can be removed with charcoal peel-off mask. But do not expect that all of your blackheads or whiteheads will come off at once. And yeah, never use this peel-off mask regularly. Stick to the video until the end because I will be giving you the perfect skincare routine. Dark spots will fade away on its own as you generate new dead skin. Dark spots will go away on its own as you generate new skin cells. And if you are exfoliating your skin with a perfect scrub, then you will get rid of those dead skin cells produced by the pimples too. Basically, for dry skin, all you have to do is moisturize your skin. If you're moisturizing your skin, that means you're getting a healthy and glowing skin. Oily skin can be treated with extra care if you're washing your face now and then, and also if you're wiping your face with a wet tissue. I personally had an oily nose and it clogged my pores and I used to get pimples now and then, and a month ago I had got a big pimple on my nose, or you can call it as a cyst on the center of my nose. Why I'm telling you this thing? Because a cyst is a severe skin issue, and now I'm going to tell you how to treat your severe skin issues. The best solution for your severe skin issues is if you're having a cyst just like I had one on my nose, or if you're having too many pimples or oily face, etc., then make sure to visit a dermatologist. Because when I had a painful cyst on my nose, then it was there for about 4 to 6 months. When I got an appointment with my dermatologist, they provided me a perfect prescription according to my skin nature, and then finally I got rid of it in 1 month. And that's why I didn't post a video related to skin until I got rid of this particular problem. Go ahead, do visit a perfect dermatologist and cure your severe skin issues. That will really help. See guys, I want you to know something which is important. We cannot go against nature, because if you're getting pimples on your puberty, then it's completely natural and normal. So do not go against it. It's completely fine, but if that pimple got worse, then that is something which we are responsible for. The best thing you can do is wash your face, keep your face clean as much as you can, and also do not let your hair down on your face or on your skin, because your hair may contain excessive oil or it may contain any dirt or any hair product which is not good for your skin. This is one of the mistakes which we do, is we do not care about our meals. So make sure that you eat vegetables, you eat fruits, and you drink a lot of water. If you're taking care of your internal body, then automatically you are going to get results, good results on the outer body, and that is your skin. Exercising, running, or even playing outdoor games will help you to circulate your blood, and that is very much important for producing new skin cells. Right now I'm going to tell you my skincare routine that I have been following up till now after when I got rid of that cyst a month ago. In the early morning when I wake up, I drink a glass of water and wash my face before going to gym. After washing my face, I usually don't apply any cream, but if your skin is dry, then make sure that you apply a moisturizing cream. After when I'm back from the gym, I bath and then I apply a sunscreen or a fairness cream. I would suggest a sunscreen, but if your fairness cream has both a sunscreen and a fairness cream, then you should probably use that too, because that is something which will protect you from UV rays if you're going outside for college or for work. If you're having an oily face, then make sure that you use only a sunscreen, not a fairness cream, because usually fairness creams are a little bit greasy, so make sure that you avoid it. I would only suggest you guys to use a fairness cream only if you're going through a fairness treatment, otherwise you don't need that. So when I'm back from college, I do not apply any cream, I just wash my face, that's it. By the evening I go out to play, and then when I come back at night I wash my face and then I apply an aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a natural source that is scientifically proven to provide you a natural and a glowing skin. So that's the reason why before I go to sleep I apply aloe vera gel and then I go to sleep. Between this, if you're having an oily face, then make sure that you wipe your face with a wet tissue whenever necessary. Exfoliate my skin twice a week, that is Monday and Friday, and I use peel off mask, that is a charcoal peel off mask, to remove the blackheads and whiteheads only on Sundays. That's it, only once a week, that's it. All I have is dark spot which will automatically go away, as you can see on my face, on the nose and on the sides, that's it, and on the top, that's it. It will automatically go away. If necessary, then I will visit the dermatologist again. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hope I didn't miss anything, and I have provided you the true facts about those 5 minutes DIY crafts and all those stuff. So make sure that you don't follow them and ruin your skin. And if you're having a skin issue, a severe skin issue, then make sure that you visit a dermatologist. Make sure that you leave a like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also turn on post notifications, because whenever I post a new video you will get notified. And also follow me on Instagram, that is @Justpreethesh_21. You will get some men's fashion content related inspiration. So make sure that you go and follow me there. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.